How to use a dot to access members of dictionary. How do I make Python dictionary members accessible via a dot? For example, instead of writing midict.val, I'd like to write midict.val. Also, I'd like to access nested dicts this way. For example, would refer to
You can do it using this class I just made. With this class you can use the map object like another dictionary including JSON serialization, or with the dot notation. I hope to help you. Usage examples.
I've always kept this around in a util file. You can use it as a mixin on your own classes too.
Install dotmap via pip. It does everything you want it to do in subclasses dict, so it operates like a normal dictionary. On top of that, you can convert it to and from dict objects. This means that if something you want to access is already in dict form, you can turn it into a dotmap for easy access. Finally, it automatically creates new child dotmap instances so you can do things like this. Comparison to bunch. Full disclosure, I am the creator of the dotmap. I created it because bunch was missing these features. Remembering the order items are added and iterating in that order, automatic child dotmap creation, which saves time and makes for cleaner code when you have a lot of hierarchy, constructing from a dict and recursively converting all child dict instances to dotmap.
Derive from dict and implement _getator and _setator_. Or you can use bunch, which is very similar. I don't think it's possible to monkey patch built-in dict class.